before we got to this bistro, I was thinking to myself that maybe Hong Kong Ikea just was my least favorite Ikea. We're headed to go to visit Ikea here in Hong Kong. So far we visited Ikea in Japan and Singapore, and the foods definitely had regional options. And right now it's almost Lunar New Year. Is it Chinese New Year because we're in Hong Kong? Anyways, so I'm hoping they're going to have some special foods just for the New Year. It's gonna be New Year tomorrow. So today is actually New Year's Eve. Let's go find it. To get here, we took the MTR to Sha Tin Station. Apparently Sha Tin has one of the bigger Ikeas here in Hong Kong, which is why we came over here to check it out. It's a little bit unexpected, but the Ikea is inside a mall that's called Home Square, and the entire mall looks like it sells like house stuff. Like we're in the atrium and they're selling fridges. There was a cleaning robot. We have to take the Ikea specific escalator to get up there. Maybe Ikea is the top floor of this mall then? That makes sense. We can go up, check out the food, and then we come down, we can look for dessert. This is new, right? A new Ikea recliner. Seems amazing. I was fully expecting the restaurant to be at the end. I mean, we're inside a mall, so it's not huge, but it is multiple floors. So we're taking the escalator down now to go to the Swedish restaurant. It's not that busy. I mean, no Ikea that we ever go to is busy in the shopping section, but it always seems to be busy in the food section, and I think that's going to be the exact same here in Hong Kong. Ooh, what should we get? Baked lobster with truffle cheese sauce and cheese baked potato, bacon cheese baked potato, a shrimp avocado mango kale salad, and a grilled strip loin with fries and sour cream mushroom sauce.
Sounds pretty good.
The other food items are pretty regular Swedish, but I've never seen a rack of lamb at Ikea either.
Yeah, pork knuckle.
Pork knuckle, that's definitely Hong Kong. Cold water prawn cocktail, yeah. One of my favorite things to do is snoop and see what everyone else is eating. I respect that they have instructions here on how to get the dishes. It's a very busy Ikea restaurant. There's a huge line. There's a line growing behind me. Everyone is here to eat here. It's kind of cool because it's in a mall. So it's sort of like going to a food court at a mall.
Yeah, a little bit.
It's a bit different than the other Ikeas we've been to. Oh wow, this is an Ovaltine Serradura cake. It says it's a new thing that they have.
It's like tiramisu.
Yeah, tiramisu. Condensed milk and peanut butter mousse. Milk fudge mousse. These are all new. A milk fudge cake. There's a marinated salmon salad, and it looks a little bit different. It's really not that much salad here that you get. This is for sure a local one. It's the cold water prawn cocktail. And then they also have the shrimp avocado mango kale salad. This is also for Chinese New Year. Okay, they got add-ons here. It says you can get mashed potatoes for $6, steamed vegetables for $6, and spaghetti for $6. Can I have a steak? There's also, the chicken wings are New Orleans chicken wings.
Yeah, let's do 4 chicken wings.
We could do 2. 2 chicken wing? The crispy. Oh, okay. Thank you. You can see the potato, the baked potato here. I didn't see the lobster. It must come from somewhere else. But can I just potato? Oh, can not by itself. Okay. Thank you. The knuckle is in full abundance. Oh yeah, the chicken wings are right here. It's a self-serve chicken wing. I'm surprised they let you self-serve that. It's also self-serve naan, I think. I don't think these egg tarts are as exciting as the other dan tats here in Hong Kong. There's also some sort of soup. There's no tag, but I think this is some sort of corn soup. Durian milk-based sundae cup. They're all durian milk. People in Hong Kong are smarter than I am. They leave their bags on the chairs so that they have a table when they get their food. I don't think there's any free table. Oh, that man is moving. Go, go, go. So we ended up getting the steak. This has a mushroom sauce. It's got a few vegetables and 2 chicken wings. I'm looking forward to it. I'm curious to see if it's going to be sticky or crispy or what. So we've dug into the steak and it is pretty cooked. Like at one time, maybe it was less cooked, but it's almost well done. I would say whatever's mostly well, not completely well done, but mostly well done. The flavor is good though. Like it has a nice sauce. It's got like a strong peppery taste. It comes with French fries, which we picked up some ketchup to go with the French fries. Sadly, I think the fries are just cold. They're cold and kind of old. And for the amount of traffic that they have here, I'm surprised how old they are. Like you would think that they would have more fresh food turnover, but guess not. And then also had some vegetables. There was like cauliflower, carrot, and a piece of broccoli. This one you can't really mess up. Just steamed vegetables. Let's try the mushroom from the sauce. The mushroom from the sauce is like a canned mushroom. It has like no mushroom texture at all. It's like a very, have you ever seen a mushroom in a can? That's the mushroom from the sauce. I gotta say, steak so far, just okay. I'm actually really glad we didn't get the lobster tail because we were considering getting a lobster. It looks like it's half of a full lobster with a baked potato. And was not that expensive, like 79 or 83 Hong Kong dollars. But after eating this steak, my expectation for that lobster is pretty low. I think it would be probably overcooked and just kind of, for the ingredients that they have, I don't think that they do a really good job. But let's try the chicken wing because I think that this is something that is on their regular menu compared to the steak and the lobster and the pork knuckles that they've got. I love how in Asia they always have the tail. It says it's a crispy wing. It's not crispy anymore. This is significantly better than the steak. It has like a soy sauce flavor on the skin. Yeah, like they did a good job marinating it. And I bet when it was hot, that it would be crispy. I think just because it's been out for a while, like it was sitting in the help yourself section, that it's just no longer as crispy as it could be. But honestly, the wings way better than the steak. We saw so many people here ordering the meatballs and we were kind of like, well, meatballs aren't that special for Ikea. But now that I've tasted this, I kind of understand why. Like you just can't go wrong with the meatballs. Compared to some of this food, a little risky. But we're gonna go downstairs after this and go and get some dessert because I saw that they also have dessert specials for Chinese New Year. So interestingly, after the restaurant, you walk through like the market hall. The market hall has all the stuff that's kind of like really easily assembled. There's tools, desk chairs, these rolling shelves, which always seem to make it into the market hall. And then afterwards, you just walk out into the checkout. So I think after the checkout, we're gonna hit the bistro. I'm hoping for some good desserts. We had picked this IKEA, the one in Shatin, because I thought it was going to be bigger. The one in Causeway Bay, for example, doesn't have a restaurant. And this one is bigger, but it doesn't really have like couches or anything else. So I think it's all delivered here. There's a camera above the self-checkout, so it shows you what the item is when you're self-checking out. You can see the flowers that he's checking out. Should we check out the market? Market, then bistro, I think. It's crazy. There are people just coming in from the mall, I'm assuming, to go to the bistro. Like, it would be like if you worked nearby. There's an office tower here. All right, they've got a frozen garlic crispy chicken, frozen New Orleans style chicken wings. That's what they had in the food court. And then over here, a frozen chicken and cartilage skewer. I've never seen these at an IKEA before. Maybe this is a Hong Kong exclusive. It says it's produced in China. This one sells bread. Look, they have an entire bakery section. There's cookies. There's a sourdough pumpkin bread. I've never seen bread at an IKEA before. Have you?
No, this is new.
Cranberry bread, sea salt baguette, sourdough mix. These are not unreasonable prices. These are pretty good prices for bread. They also have popsicles that are shaped mousse cakes. There's one that's a couch and it's matcha. You can see it. It's a clock.
Yes,
I
mango and
guess.
passion fruit.
It does look like there should be other flavors, but I don't think they have them.
The shark or the bear.
That's blueberry and tiramisu. It's like this baby cool bag. It's like a little lunch bag that has the insulated inside. They have the regular IKEA one too. I never see these. The candy is bulk. So you buy it and pay by weight, and all of it is 13 Hong Kong dollars for 100 grams. I knew that they had candy, but I've never seen it in bulk. Look at this one. It's a fizzy mandarin slice. I would have loved this as a kid. I think because we were in Singapore, at the Singapore IKEA before this, I was expecting a lot more Chinese New Year treats, and they don't really have that. They have some different items, like they have bread here, but they don't have any Chinese New Year exclusive items that I can tell. It's taro rice flour meatballs. This is a meatball?
It's like a taro meatloaf.
This looks the most like lobako. I don't know what it is though. I'm so glad we didn't eat too much upstairs because their monthly specials down here look amazing. A hazelnut chocolate sundae croissant. They also have the salted egg yolk sauce here. There's the hazelnut chocolate sundae. Oh my god, I think they might have cream puffs. They definitely have durian here. And this one, the rose and mixed berries flower shaped sundae cone. This looks amazing. That's the Valentine's Day special. There's a ice cream that I really want to try. The rose and mixed berry flower shaped sundae cone. Let's see what else is on their dessert menu. Vanilla sundae with Dubai pistachio chocolate. So I don't really know how it works, but we tapped to pay. They gave us a receipt, and then we got into line and have come over here. So I think we just give our receipt to them, and our items will come out. I don't really know. Maybe it's over here. Hi. Woo. Wow, look at that giant Nutella pump they have. This one has to be the hazelnut. This looks good. Rose something ice cream. I gotta say, it's not as cute as the picture. Still quite adorable. Is this ice cream? I think this is gelato. I'm almost 100% sure that this is like the IKEA vegan ice cream because it doesn't have the texture at all of ice cream. It's good though. This is really tasty. It has like a very strong berry taste. I think it was berry rose. I was gonna say it's a very strong berry floral taste. I wouldn't say it's super rosy or anything, but it's good. So we also got this one I think is just the vanilla plain probably with the Dubai pistachio. So let's just call it the plain with pistachio. Have like a very crispy texture in the pistachio. Oh, that's the Dubai chocolate. It's like very tiny shreds. Let me see if I can get a little shred to show you of chocolate inside the pistachio topping. The plain ice cream it's good. It's plain ice cream. The pistachio chocolate topping really makes it. This one is actually really good. I'm surprised. I had low expectations for this one. I'm impressed. And then we also got the hazelnut. This is one of the monthly specials. There's the hazelnut and then the hazelnut croissant. So it looks like there's a bit of a hazelnut topping also with some texture. And then ice cream. Maybe it's chocolate ice cream? Maybe it's the rose ice cream. I don't know. I'll tell you in a second. This one tastes like a chocolate bar. It has like the crunchy bits in the chocolate. I mean, I guess this is just like a Nutella topping that has the crunchy bits in it, but it's got like it's like a rice cracker crunch.
I wonder if Nutella makes a crunchy Nutella, like there's crunchy peanut butter.
So
I would buy that.
It reminds me of like a crunch chocolate bar. Strong hazelnut flavor. The ice cream itself, I think it's chocolate. It has a really light flavor. It's not a strong flavor at all. The topping is really what makes it here. I gotta say, I was very nervous because upstairs the food is just not that good. It's very passable. The fries were cold. The steak was overcooked. The sauce is probably the best part, but there just really wasn't anything that was amazing upstairs. And I was thinking to myself, maybe I've been spoiled. Before we got to this bistro, I was thinking to myself that maybe Hong Kong Ikea just was my least favorite Ikea for the food. But the ice cream is delicious. They really have aced the desserts downstairs in the bistro. And I understand now why some of the Ikeas only have the bistro. Maybe it's just not even worth it to have a restaurant. Even though it's packed, I just don't think the food upstairs is that good. But the desserts down here, worth it.